Hi everyone! This is your Tita Mayumi again. Bawal yung address. Charot. I have a new box to open. It's by Beautylish. So, this is not a subscription box. It's an annual box. Usually, you buy this after Christmas. So by Christmas. Kalokan lola nyo. Pagoda Harrison. So it's after Christmas. So it's December 26. Yon. It's called the Lucky Bag for 2025. This is the XL box. Usually nasusold out siya all the time. So I was lucky to be able to get it. You pay $150 and shipping is not included. I think I paid like $20, so parang almost $200 na siya. They're supposed to be worth $300 for the box, so double the amount of what you're paying. Meron din silang smaller one, which is $75. And they have another XL box. Pero ito yung nakuha ko. So let's see what I have very quickly. So I don't know what's inside here. Wala pa akong na-sneak peek. Makulit ang aking kuting. Na-miss niya ang kanyang Mother Earth. Hi, this is Amy. This is my kuting-ting. She says hi. Kasi umalis kami saglit. So yun, very clingy. Gusto niyang gamitin yung box. So, worth it ba ito? I mean, so far, yung mga previous boxes ko, hindi naman sa lahat ginagamit, pero yung mga prices na lang ng kung ano yung mga items ko, ilagay ko na lang sa description box or sa comments. So, first kong nakuha is panali ng buhok. It's by Slip. This is supposed to be silk. So, hindi niya sobrang, pag yung nagpo-ponytail, yung mga girls, alam niyo yun, may ano sa hair pag after niyo mag-ponytail. So, yun. Ayaw niyang mabuksan. Bilisan ko na lang. This is, by Verb. It's a hydrating oil. This is for hair. So, it's, Moisture and Shine Eclavu. Ang dami kong mga hair oils lately. Bakit ganun? Charot. Next is Jouer. Tagal na akong hindi nakagamit ng products ng company na ito. So, it is a blush. Blush in Bloom. Pero medyo darker siya. So, pwede na. That's the shade. The other one is, dalawa to eh. But parang pareho lang. Okay. Lighter naman siya. So, parang yung isa parang halos pa mauve. And this one is like, hindi naman siya sobrang pink. So, parang nagtatalong pink and orange. So, yun, maganda siya. Kasi parang dual. Yung shade is called Celebrate and Promise Me. May mga ganon. Pa-promise me ever. I have a brush. It's by Sonia G. Para saan to? Pwedeng sa mga pang-highlight, diba? Mga pang-highlight ever. Medyo mahal din yan. Next one is, hindi ko ito mabasa. Plume. It's a Lush in Brow Enhancing Serum. So, yung mga wala kang masyadong lashes, nilalagay mo ito after, yung sa bago ka matulog para tumubo ang inyong mga lashes. Gumagamit ako kasi sobrang nipis na ng lashes ng tita nyo. Siyempre, Thunderaka na siya. Thundercats. Oh my lord. Hindash lipstick. Red. Hindi na ako nag-red. Tapos prediction sa mga colors this year. I mean, maganda yung packaging. Silver. Ayokong i-swatch para hindi ko magamit. Ipadala na lang sa Pilipinas or ipamigay. It's by Hindash. I'm not familiar with the brand. I think para siyang Beauty Guru or something. More excited with this, Charlotte Tilbury. Yung isa kong favorite foundation is Charlotte Tilbury. So, familiar na ako sa mga products ni Tita Charlotte. She's a celebrity makeup artist. Ay, sorry. Ayokong i-flash yung ano. Ganito na lang siya. Meron akong mga basic colors. Para siyang may mga shimmers. Huwag ka munang gamitin. Or huwag ko muna lang i-swatch. Kasi, pero maganda tong pang travel. Kasi maliit lang yung box niya. This is pimple patch. So, pag pinipimple kayo, yung bago siya, pag yung nag-start pa lang, itapal nyo, minsan pwede nyo maglagay ng foundation or concealer after. So, lalo sa mga fest lock. So, carry na siya. They own the brand by the company. Natasha Denona, I'm familiar with this brand. So, ganito din yung shade ng parang kay Mami Charlotte. Pero ito yung maliliit nilang parang $29 to. So, parang bakit parang mura lang ito muna nakuha ko. Parang hindi siya worth it. Ganon yung mga shade. Saglit lang, Amy. Tapos lang ni Mami, saglit na lang to. So, ganito yung mga shade niya, mga basic. So, okay din lang. Pero parang meron na ako nito. So, meron din ako yung malaki nito. So, I'm not excited for this. But parang chipangan nyo ha, ngayon. Charot. My gosh, yun lang nakuha ko. No. Parang hindi siya worth it Kaloka sila. So, yun lang. Yun lang, tapos na. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching. So, disappointing box. Hindi ako happy. Kasi mura lang mahal siya pero parang hindi worth it. For me. Bye-bye!